Hello, welcome to class today. Now the lesson addition and number block start. Now let's go. 10,
I will do plus
17,
I will do equal
27, 2,
I will do plus
2,
I will do equal
4, 16,
I will do plus
6,
I will do equal
22, 20,
I will do plus
14,
I will do equal
34, 6,
I will do plus
19,
I will do equal
25, 4,
I will do plus
19,
I will do equal
23,
I will
20.
do plus
11,
I will do equal
31, 3,
I will do plus
8,
I will do equal
11, 3,
I will do plus
12,
I will do equal
15, 13,
I will do plus
3,
I will do equal
16, 1,
I will do plus
13,
I will do equal
14, 7,
I will do plus
11,
I will do equal
18, 19,
I will do plus
6,
I will do equal
25, 18,
I will do plus
13,
I will do equal
31, 19,
I will do plus
3,
I will do equal
22, 2,
I will do plus
17,
I will do equal
19, 13,
I will do plus
4,
I will do equal
17, 9,
I will do plus
15,
I will do equal
24, 8,
I will do plus
20,
I will do equal
28, 2,
I will do plus
9,
I will do equal
11, 7,
I will do plus
6,
I will do equal
13, 12,
I will do plus
14,
I will do equal
26,
I will do blood.
19,
I will do equal.
21, 7,
I will do blood.
19,
I will do equal.
26. It repeat again and it look very fashion and it look gentleman. I want gentleman. 4,
I will do blood.
18,
I will do equal.
22, 15,
I will do blood.
9,
I will do equal.
24, 16,
I will do blood.
14,
I will do equal.
30, 3,
I will do blood.
8,
I will do equal.
11, 18,
I will do blood.
14,
I will do equal.
32, 13,
I will do blood.
5,
I will do equal.
18, 13,
I will do blood.
16,
I will do equal.
29, 4,
I will do blood.
6,
I will do equal.
10, 9,
I will do blood.
2,
I will do equal.
11, 19,
I will do blood.
8,
I will do equal.
27, 8,
I will do blood.
16,
I will do equal.
24. Lesson today on you stop. Meeting for you in the next lesson.